Hi, I'm going to show you how to make a real quick and easy digital badge using Adobe Illustrator CC 2019. So we're going to first start off getting a stroke black and using the ellipse tool, and we're going to drag out, holding Alt to drag out from the center and then Shift to get perfect proportions. So something about that big. I'll go ahead and use my direct selection tool, and we'll go ahead and select this, and I'm going to go ahead and give this kind of this ruffled edge, zigzag edge. So we'll select that and we'll go to Effect and Distort and Transform and then Zigzag. And in order to see this, we'll check the preview box here. And I'm going to make mine with a smooth edge. And it really determines the size of your square, circle will be determined on how many ridges and, of course, the size of each ridge per segment. So I'm going to go something maybe right around there and hit OK. And so now we're going to actually duplicate this. And so I'm going to hit Command C to copy it, and then Command F, which will paste it, and it will paste it to the front. And so when I drag this down, you'll see I have another shape pulling down. I'm going to hold Shift as well as Alt to get it to radiate perfectly down to the middle. Be right around there. And for this one in the middle, we'll select the middle one, and we'll click on our appearance icon. And if it's not here, you can go up to Window and go ahead and check appearance. And this is that zigzag one that we have selected right here. So we don't actually want that. I'm going to delete that to the trash. And so now we have a perfect circle instead of a zigzag circle. And what we'll do here is we'll fill in this one here with black. And so we'll actually just flip-flop that. And I'm going to select this line right here. And we will go ahead and give this a stroke of white. There we go. And of course, you can play with the stroked edge right here. I might even snap that up to 6 points for my stroke. And then what we'll do next is we're going to duplicate this inside line right here. And so we'll go ahead and hit Command C and then Command F to paste that to the front. And just like before, we'll hold Shift to constrain the proportion as well as Alt to bring it down. And this is what's going to be our dotted line. So I'm just going to look slightly in, boom, right there. And we have this as a no fill with a white stroked edge. And so to give this the dotted effect, we'll click on the stroke here and we'll just hit dashed line right here and then give this a dashed line. And let's see, the gap is space in between. And I'm playing with the space in between each one. I'm going to go ahead and hit round cap, give it a more circular. So I'm going to decrease the dash and maybe even increase the gap so we have less circles. There we go. And you can see there's our design. Might even up this a little bit, the size of those. There we go. Get a little bit strong, bold, go down there. And your size will be circumstantial to the size of the original badge. For this, we're going to go ahead and grab our type tool. I'm just going to click right here. And with this color scheme, I'm going to do a black fill. And I'm actually going to have a white stroke on the outside. And so I'll go ahead and type level up. And we'll do maybe 2. We'll constrain the proportions there. Put that in the center there, so you can see the stroked edge there. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit Command C, Command F, and drag that new one down here, and grab my type tool, and we'll put level up for this version. And I kind of like how that's aligned left. And so there is your digital badge on Adobe Illustrator.